How to sign up to Grammarly. So if you want to sign up to your Grammarly, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome browser. Go for the search and search for Grammarly. Once you've searched here, you will have www.grammarly.com. Click on the first search, and here you will have sign up. It's free, or you can sign up with your Google. So you can simply go for continue with your Google account, or you can go with your email. So I'll be choosing sign up with Google, which will be easy. So choose your Google account, click on continue, and now you need to enter your email. So enter your email and choose why you are using this account. So you can choose school, work, or other projects. So I'll be choosing school, and then next, and select an option about writing at school. So if you are a college student, choose college, graduate student, educator, parent, or others. So I'll be choosing graduate, and select the area of study, and then your expected graduation year, and then your graduation month, and click on next. You can simply choose any one of these options. So choose that and then click on next, and then choose an option and then click on next again, and choose the apps or websites in which you have written, and then click on next. And you can take the premiums, or you can also use it for free. So go for continue to Grammarly for free, and that's it. That's how you can create your account. Your account has been already created. So if you go for the Grammarly, and if you go for the first search, then here you have been logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can create your Grammarly account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.